This spring, we add several game changers to our assortment. We could talk a lot about how great they are, and they really are. But let's talk about you instead. You face tough tasks and tougher deadlines in all sorts of conditions. You deserve the best, and ESAB gives you everything you need to excel. With your touch, our products become magic wands. With your skills and eye for detail, the results are simply awesome. It's time for you to be rewarded. So get ready for ultimate productivity, reliability, uptime, and performance. It's time for the ultimate lineup. And a chance for you to be the star.